my brother saw me. If we ride fast, can we reach Pali in 4 hours?
Have you seen my calf muscles? We reached in 3.
Fuck my life. This is it, dude. The last day of the lockdown. It's been 94 days since we met, you know. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Are you still there?
Yeah, happy. I was just trying these. I ordered them yesterday only. I got my salary now. So much money I've never seen.
I thought you were an intern.
Exactly, it's crazy. I love my life. I love my job.
How much are you making?
Oh, it's confidential actually. Raji says never disclose company secrets to anyone. But they're a complete racket, huh? That whole company is fake rubbish. My job is simple actually. I just have to take the blame for all the mistakes Rajiv makes. And the investors love me, so they accept my apology easily. They love my rap also. They keep asking me to perform during board meetings. Mr. Kishore though calls me separately to listen to me rap. He says it makes him feel less sad about his life. He's having an affair, huh? And his wife has corona at the same time, so it's tough. My father's also started becoming nicer to me. He says he loves me more because I have a job now. 1 second now. Hey, wow, 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 पापा एकदम perfect लग रहा है.
चाइनीज है क्या? यार एकदम बेकार फालतू. तुम कचरे को पेटी में डाल देने का है पूरा चाइनीज माल को. एक पूरे चाइना को कचरे में डाल दो.
Mr. so angry at China these days because of the war. He threw a TV also outside the window because it was made in China, you know. But he forgot to unplug the cables. It's hanging from the window only now. Stupid. It's actually good quality, you know. Like, it's been raining, but somehow it's still working. See?
Dude, what are you doing? Pull it up.
No, the watchman watches the news from downstairs. I don't know why anybody would want to watch the news now, though. I had to stop watching it long ago.
Yeah, people have been pretty stupid throughout this whole thing. I can't even go out to buy groceries because they're not careful about social distancing. We've been having Maggie for the past 2 weeks. My brother loves it. He's insane. But hopefully this lockdown has really changed people and I can go and get Sabzi tomorrow. I'll see you in the morning.
I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see what the world will be like.
Yeah, me too. But be careful now. Things could get really crazy.
Yeah. Things could get really crazy.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nice.
लॉकडाउन लगाने की तो तैयारी नहीं है लेकिन चिंता तो बनी हुई है.
Hey, why are you still inside?
Hi. Dude, this road is full of people. Feels like they're all staring at me.
Maybe it's because of what you're wearing.
I'm a 21st century woman. I can wear whatever the fuck I want. It's really hot in this. Where are you?
I'm almost there. Sorry, I'm late. I stopped in the middle to eat chatai pav bhaji, na. This Subhash Kaka ka pav bhaji, nice chumma. Loved it. I missed it so much. He doesn't sprinkle butter like conjuice people. He scoops it with his hand and haha.
Babe, dude, what? Where's your mask?
Oh, it's in Jogeshwari.
What?
Yeah, I was cycling and then it fell down. I went to pick it up, but then a rickshaw ran over it. I was like, hey, chipkil ki aankh, dekh ke chalana. And then my face started smiling because I realized we are free. The city is normal again. For the time this pandemic was. I love pandemics.
No, dude. Wait, Jonty, wait. I think you have a completely different idea of this lockdown opening.
Look at the people. I can feel it. I spoke to OG also and he said, Mumbai शहर की हवा छाती में फैल चुकी है. अब मुंह से निकलेगा तूफान ही तूफान. Oh, I forgot to tell you. We're organizing a concert this weekend. It's going to be the first public performance after the lockdown. Imagine. I'm finally starting my rap management career with this.
Are you, Jonty, are you sick? Wait, dude, are you crazy? This is not the time to celebrate, dude. You're not taking any of this seriously. भैया, इधर थूक क्यों रहे हो? हाँ? वॉश बेसिन लेके आए क्या आपका? हैंडकरचीफ किधर है? पुलिस को बुलाऊं मैं? Fuck, dude. Everyone's lost it. Jonty, I'm going home. I can't do this.
Arey, but what happened? Hello?
ए साइकिल हटा ना. चिंता इस बात की कि मुंबई की सड़कों पर
Really sorry, dude. I freaked out earlier.
Called you twice. I thought you were meeting.
Yeah, sorry I couldn't call you back. There were just so many people on the road. Dude, what are you still doing outside? Where's your mask?
Rakesh is coming to pick me up. We're going to talk about OG's gig. He's helping me organize it. We only have 3 days left. I hope you're coming.
Rakesh who? Junjun wala?
Oh, aa gaya wo.
Listen, could you please turn the camera to him once? I want to say hi before you leave.
Oh, okay.
Hey Rakesh. Hi. How are you, man? Long time. Yeah, good. Listen, could you please put on a fucking mask right now? Or else I'm telling your girlfriend you slip it at the DMs of every girl you meet.
What? No. I don't say bad things to girls.
Yeah, including me, by the way. I have the screenshots.
एक्चुअली मैं मास्क नहीं लाया तो मैं तुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम के बाद मिलता हूँ ये संस्कृति ऋषिका को कुछ बताना प्लीज
What's your problem?
My problem? Man, you're acting as if everything is okay and you're putting everyone, including yourself, in danger.
I'm just happy. What's wrong with your happiness?
Have you seen how many people were roaming outside? Going out to be Rakesh Junjunwala at this time, really? That guy is digging his nose in his Aadhaar card photo. Have you seen that? And so how are you organizing a concert? This is not January 2020.
People need music. You need to forget about all the bad things that are happening. This is the perfect time for the gig. When I came to meet you in the morning, I was really looking forward to it. But it seems like you're not interested only.
Dude, I do want to meet you, but you're acting crazy.
Hello, I was standing outside your building. You were too scared to come out. And you're wearing a safety jacket even at home. Don't hide, I can see it. Have sharp eyesight. I'm not the one who's going crazy.
Okay, listen. Anyone who's sensible is going to stay inside, okay? It's just not safe out there. And no one's gonna come for a gig.
Everyone can't stay at home. My father also started going to office. And my mom went to visit her Masi because she's unwell. Just because you have a choice doesn't mean everybody has it. It's going to be the first Indian concert after the lockdown. I'm tweeting to the Prime Minister about it. I'm also calling people from the music industry on Instagram Live.
Okay, could you please just think about this carefully again?
Even Mahatma Gandhi used to say, you should think carefully about your decisions. Never march into anything. But see how many times he marched? If he wouldn't have done that, my name would have been Jonathan instead of Jonty. Imagine. This concert is going to happen and it's going to be big, whether you come or not. I'll send you a free ticket. Bye. शो के बारे में जानने के लिए आ रहे हो guys? Ready? Are you ready? Ready?
रोशनी कभी आए कभी जाए कभी लाए कभी गाए अपने मन की बातें ना कभी कह सकी रोशनी कभी आए कभी जाए कभी लाए कभी गाए अपने मन की बातें ना कभी कह सकी
ओजी की सेना कल मिलते हैं वेन्यू पे आग लगानी है ठंडे म्यूजिशियंस की कूल्फी जमानी है फुल रावत सीन है कल मिलते हैं सब कॉन्सर्ट पे ठीक है इरशाद गुड नाइट
Speakers?
Check.
Bio?
Check.
पानी की बोतल?
Check.
ज्वाला? ये जगह देख रहे हो? इसे याद रखना. कुछ घंटों में यहाँ पे 1000 लोग की सुनामी आने वाली है. You meet history. सलाम नमस्ते.
Hello? What happened?
It was supposed to start at 4 p.m. It's 6:30 now. Nobody came. I'm alone here. Shouldn't have done this. Rajiv is the only one watching the Instagram live because he truly loves me. My father also left.
What? Nobody arrived at all.
OG himself didn't come. This world is very bitter to sweet people. My rap career is finished before it even started. ए राकेश, वो पोस्टर टेक कर दे यार, नहीं चाहिए, रिमूव कर दे मेरी लाइफ से.
What happened to OG?
He has fever, so he's at home. Ask him why he can't come. I mean, it's just fever, yaar. Like if you have too passion to rap, you can rap while having a kidney failure and a heart attack at the same time. He said कि जॉन्टी बच्ची, ये वायरस घर की बिल्ली नहीं जंगल का चीता है. अपने आप को जरा संभाल. तू जेठालाल तो ये बबीता है. आहा. To make a distract on him. Something like जा रे ओजी जा. देखा तेरा भाईचारा. समझा तुझको विराट कोहली निकला, तू तो ब्रांड ला रहा. Then he's my brother, so I can't fight him. And Brian Lara is a good cricketer actually. I realize this can happen to anyone. Oh, Rakesh also to wear a mask. Hey, Rakesh.
Hello, Didi. Happy Rakhi.
Dude, I'm so sorry to hear all of this. This is terrible. I was excited for you.
You don't have to say that now. You won.
I didn't win. I wasn't right either. All I have been doing is sitting at home and staring at the wall and thinking of something funny someone said last year and re-laughing at it. You had the courage to get all of this together. You tweeted to the Prime Minister. I saw that. I keep getting this dream that we're running away. Get on your cycle and we go to Pali one morning and all our problems go away. And then I wake up. No matter what I do, I can't run away from this. I can't sit under a rock and eat more Maggie. I have to be responsible for myself when I step out. That's the only way to get over this cabin fever.
This sucks, you know. I really wanted this to be the beginning of something. I wanted to restart the hip-hop scene with a bang after the lockdown. Set up the live video also. I was going to share it with all the music labels. Mr. Kishore was going to watch it with the fair. And I was going to end. Like it never even happened.
But wait, you're live right now, right? Oh, you have your mic and everything set up. Is it, can you perform? Is that a thing?
No.
Yeah.
I am the organizer. There's nobody here. I can't perform without an audience.
Wait, how many minutes does the live video have remaining? I'm sure there's some time.
राकेश कितना टाइम बाकी है?
10 minutes बाकी है. अभी 9 minutes 59.
It's okay, when everybody gets a chance. Wait, there's a cab here. I think somebody came to attend. Hello, come back next year. Gig is cancelled.
Shanti, I don't know how you got all of this together. It's surprising and technically illegal, but you take your chances. And I'm taking mine. हाँ, right, stop कर दीजिए. I support you. You should perform. I need this. Mr. Kishore needs this. And if the Prime Minister saw your tweet, then he needs this.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so used to looking at you on the screen. You're looking so real.
Probably the light. It's good to see you.
Mind blown.
Okay, I'm here for the gig.
Okay, can I see your ticket?
For real?
Yeah, I'm the organizer.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it in my mail? Okay. Actually, my boyfriend has organized this, but he's probably in the green room getting ready because he's going to set fire to the stage. But don't worry, I have a ticket.
Okay, it's real. I saw the barcode.
Okay.
I'm carrying the fire extinguisher, huh? Just in case.
Oh, all right. Okay. Is it starting? Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just hold this? Rakesh!
हाँ. Okay. Right वाला side से होनी था. मैं देखता हूँ. अरे लाइट चालू है. तू आजा फटाफट. हाँ लाइट पे आजा.
MC Hustler. थोड़ा दिल की बात करने जा रहा हूँ. क्या?
तेरे नाम